Add this one specific oil to your coffee to protect memory after 60. Most people over 60 never hear this. Parts of the aging brain may become less efficient at using glucose, its usual source of energy, even when you follow a reasonably healthy diet. That does not mean every forgotten name is dementia, but reduced brain energy efficiency may contribute to the mental sluggishness some older adults experience. Now imagine giving your brain access to a second type of fuel. By whisking a small amount of one specific oil into your morning coffee, your liver can produce ketones, an alternative energy source that brain cells can use. The oil is called C8 MCT oil, and it is not the same as ordinary coconut oil. Stay with me, because I'll explain how it works, the safest beginner amount, and the common mistake that can leave you running to the bathroom instead of enjoying your morning. The energy crisis in the aging brain. Have you ever walked into a room and suddenly forgotten why you went there? Or struggled to recall someone's name, only for it to appear in your mind 20 minutes later? Occasional experiences like these can be a normal part of aging. But researchers have also found that glucose use can decline in certain brain regions as people grow older, with a more noticeable deficit in mild cognitive impairment and Alzheimer's disease. Importantly, this does not mean that every person over 60 has a starving brain, but it does mean that brain energy metabolism becomes an important area of research. Human imaging research has found lower glucose uptake in affected brain regions, while the ability to use ketones appears comparatively preserved. Think of glucose as the fuel your brain has relied on for most of your life. The fuel may still be available in your bloodstream, but some brain cells may have increasing difficulty processing it efficiently. It is similar to having fuel in your car while the fuel delivery system is no longer working as smoothly as before. Understanding the metabolic fog. When brain cells are not receiving or using energy efficiently, mental tasks can feel slower. You might need additional time to find a word, follow a complicated conversation, or remember where you placed an object. However, this brain fog is not caused only by glucose metabolism. Poor sleep, stress, dehydration, depression, hearing loss, medication side effects, vitamin deficiencies, and thyroid problems can also affect memory. That is why no oil should be treated as a diagnosis or cure. Occasionally forgetting a name and remembering it later can be a normal age-related change. Repeatedly forgetting important information, becoming lost in familiar places, or struggling with bills and medications deserves medical attention. The National Institute on Aging recommends discussing persistent or worsening memory changes with a healthcare professional. The specific oil: pure C8 MCT oil. The oil we are talking about is pure C8 MCT oil, also known as caprylic acid oil. MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides. These fats have shorter chains than most dietary fats, allowing them to travel relatively quickly to the liver. The liver can then convert part of them into molecules called ketones. Why choose C8 specifically? Because research comparing different medium-chain fats has found that C8 produces a stronger ketone response than C10 or C12. In controlled testing, C8 was approximately 3 times more ketogenic than C10 under the study conditions. Research comparing MCT types identified C8 as the most ketogenic MCT tested. This also explains why ordinary coconut oil is not the same thing. Coconut oil contains mostly lauric acid, or C12, with much smaller quantities of C8. One crossover study in healthy older adults found that pure C8 produced a substantially stronger ketone response than coconut oil. When checking the bottle, look for 100% C8 MCT oil, or 100% caprylic acid. An organic label is optional. The scientifically relevant detail is the C8 content. Choose an unflavored product without sugar, sweeteners, or unnecessary fillers. How this oil creates an alternative fuel. After you consume C8 MCT oil, it is absorbed and transported to the liver. The liver converts some of it into ketones, which circulate in the blood and can cross into the brain. The important point is that ketones do not repair damaged neurons or erase Alzheimer's disease. Instead, they may provide an additional fuel pathway when glucose use is less efficient. Think of it as opening a temporary side road when the main road has become congested. C8 can raise circulating ketones within a few hours, but that does not mean your memory will improve instantly. Some people may feel more alert, while others notice nothing at all. Feeling energetic is also not proof that long-term memory has been protected. Coffee is simply a convenient way to consume the oil. The MCT effect does not require caffeine, so decaffeinated coffee is perfectly reasonable if regular coffee affects your sleep, reflux, blood pressure, or heart rhythm. What the memory research actually found. Here is where we must separate promising science from exaggerated internet claims. In a 6-month randomized controlled trial, people with mild cognitive impairment consumed a ketogenic MCT drink or a placebo. The MCT group showed improvement in certain areas of cognition, including episodic memory, language, and executive function. However, the participants had diagnosed mild cognitive impairment. The product contained a controlled research dose, and it was not simply 1 teaspoon added to coffee. Related imaging research reported that the ketogenic MCT supplement increased brain ketone metabolism by 230%, while glucose uptake remained unchanged. That sounds dramatic, but it does not mean memory became 230% better. It means ketone use increased from a low starting level. Therefore, C8 MCT oil is an interesting brain fuel strategy, but it has not been proven to prevent dementia or guarantee better memory in healthy adults. How to add it to your coffee. If your healthcare professional agrees that MCT oil is suitable for you, begin with only 1 teaspoon, approximately 5 milliliter. Add it to freshly prepared coffee and mix it thoroughly with a small whisk or milk frother until the drink looks smooth and creamy. Do not begin with the 2 tablespoon quantity promoted in many online videos. Your digestive system may not be accustomed to concentrated MCT oil. Starting with too much can cause nausea, cramping, bloating, or sudden diarrhea. Use the beginner amount for several days and pay attention to how your body responds. Taking it with breakfast may improve tolerance, although a carbohydrate-heavy meal may reduce the ketone response. There is no established home dose proven to prevent dementia, so increasing the amount is not automatically better. Remember that 1 tablespoon of oil contains roughly 120 calories. Ideally, it should replace some other dietary fat rather than becoming an unnoticed source of additional daily calories. The 3 most common mistakes. The first mistake is buying ordinary coconut oil and assuming it will produce the same effect. Coconut oil can be used as food, but it contains far less C8 and is not interchangeable with pure C8 MCT oil for ketone production. The second mistake is starting with 1 or 2 tablespoons. Clinical studies often use carefully controlled amounts and gradually increase them. More oil may produce more digestive distress without providing additional cognitive benefit. The third mistake is believing the oil cancels out an unhealthy lifestyle. MCT oil cannot compensate for smoking, uncontrolled blood pressure, poor sleep, physical inactivity, or a diet dominated by highly processed foods. The strongest memory support plan is still built around regular movement, quality sleep, social activity, mental stimulation, and a balanced eating pattern containing vegetables, berries, legumes, fish, nuts, and unsaturated fats. Who should be careful? Before trying MCT oil, speak with your doctor or dietitian if you have liver disease, elevated triglycerides, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, digestive problems, or unexplained memory changes. A review of randomized trials found that MCT oil produced a small increase in triglycerides overall and could affect cholesterol differently depending on which dietary fat it replaced. Stop using it if you develop persistent diarrhea, stomach pain, vomiting, or other unusual symptoms. And if your memory problems are interfering with normal daily life, do not postpone a medical assessment while experimenting with supplements. Final message. Pure C8 MCT oil may help create ketones that provide the aging brain with an additional energy source. Early studies are encouraging, particularly in people with mild cognitive impairment, but this oil is not a cure and cannot guarantee protection from dementia. If you want to try it and your healthcare professional approves, remember the simple rule. Choose pure C8 MCT oil, start with only 1 teaspoon, blend it thoroughly, and never assume that more is better. If this information helped you understand the difference between C8 MCT oil and coconut oil, comment C8 below. Subscribe for more practical, evidence-based health information.